Hi guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, you're gonna watch me work. This is my mom's hands and she's letting me do her nails again. I did film her original design, which I'll pop a picture up in a second. Yeah, right here. I did this during the Christmas season, so after that she came back and I redesigned it into this design. So now I'm going to redesign it again. She gets a new set for me every 3 sets. She does have ski slope nails, so I do try to make sure I kind of minimize her lifting. So she is coming to me every 2 weeks, because if you know ski slopes nails, I think that came out wrong. If you know ski slope nails, they're really a candidate for acrylic. I have not mastered builder gel, and I've always heard they are better candidates for acrylic or dip powder. But because I actually work with builder gel, or hard gel, I'm sorry, a lot, sometimes builder gel, because I work with gel, she still allows me to do hard gel on her nails. So far it's fine, and I've had minimum lifting. I really learned that I need to work on my prep, so that's what I do. I try to prep her nails really good. And if you saw her nails skip with that bit does not like me to shorten the nails, which is what she wanted. That's why it was skipping, because I was trying to shorten the nails. So I need to find another bit for shortening her nails. Also, she could not keep her hands in frame for anything. I had to fuss at her that entire session, like, Mom, please keep your hands in frame. So I am missing a few pieces of footage because either it was blurry, or her hand was moving, or it was not where it's supposed to be. Something. I'm gonna get better at this, you guys, because she's gonna allow me to film her nails a lot more. And if this is something you want to see from me, let me know, because I really like having this on my channel, like watching me work, because it's really helping me as well. But if it's something you don't want to see, also you can let me know. I don't mind. I did do these nails like a while ago, so I can't really give you too much detail, but I will say I'm working on her shape. I know it's a little funky in some of the places, I'm aware. I am not really good at coffin. I'm not really good at any shape other than square, and she wants coffin. She wants her nails super narrow, and it's weird that she wants coffin right now, because when she was going and paying somebody, she always came back with round. Now she is stuck on this shape and she refuses to change. She just wants some super narrow but coffin. So yeah, I am working on shaping. I have learned that I need to turn her hands toward myself. That's kind of where I've been messing up. I do need to turn her hands more towards myself, and this will help me give her the shape she is looking for. So I'm base coating all of the nails, and now I'm going to matte top coat some of them, just the pinky and the pointer. I really didn't have to do this. I could have wiped off the tacky layer. I just prefer drawing on matte surfaces, but yeah, I could have just wiped off the tacky layer and drew on top of that base gel, which I'm going to start doing from now on, because it's like a waste of matte top coat in all honesty, and I feel like I can do it on a base coat. But right now I am just putting on 1 coat of Madam Glam's black gel polish, which this is super pigmented because this is really 1 coat, and I did feather that up on that nail. I hate the way that looks. I'm going to fix it in a moment, but I am going to do 1 coat of this platinum gel. I got this from AliExpress. I don't really have a link for it. I got this so long ago. And then I'm going to take that platinum gel and on this finger kind of feather it up. Like I said, I don't like the way it looks. It looks like grass to me. So I did take it higher, and then I got a sponge and kind of tried to blend it with the sponge, and I like this so much better. And it's fine because I'm actually going to throw a charm on top of it, which we decided to do off camera. She really didn't want anything on her nails, but I told her for the video's sake, can I just put something on there? And then she was like, no, she wants to keep it on. So yeah, that's kind of how that charm got on there. And I do want to also say, this is not my original idea, these nails. She didn't know what she wanted, so I started Googling, and I started picking from different pictures, and I was asking her like, okay, what if I do this, and what if I change the color to this? And she was like, yes, until we finally just came up with the concept. And I'm sorry, but I didn't save any of the pictures that I kind of referenced from. But that middle nail was really the only thing that I looked at the picture and I 100% replicated, but I don't have it. I'm sorry. But yeah, I just threw some swirls on the pointer and the pinky. This is extremely difficult to do when you reverse the sides. If you don't know, my pointer and my pinky always are reversed with the sides. Like one will go right and one will go left. I just like that look. I learned it from Marvin Moses, and ever since she said it, it's just like, that's the most beautiful thing to me. So that's what I do. She says it closes your nail design off. Something like that. I'm not going to say that's exactly what she said. It was something like that. But yeah, ever since I saw her do that, I loved it, been obsessed with it. So that's kind of what I'm doing on this pinky. You guys see, this is a struggle for me. I could not reverse the sides, so it took me a few tries. So I perfected that off camera, but I did leave in the footage of me struggling because I just wanted you guys to know I still struggle. And I'm sorry if these two clips are a little dark. I tried to adjust them in the editing process, but I never know how they look until they hit YouTube. But I don't know why it's so dark right here. I actually do know. My lamp kept going off. But it's fine. I have since purchased a new one. So this was a little bit easier on this side, but still a struggle. And that glitter is actually hiding my mistakes. I forgot to mention that. So if my swirl wasn't perfect, that glitter kind of made it a little bit more pleasing to the eye, I guess you can say. So that's why I added the glitter with the swirls. And now I'm just top coating all of the nails, and this is her finished set. I love them. She loved them. Let me know what you guys think of them. I think they're so beautiful. But please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.